Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Desperate times call for desperate measures and it stands true for the actions of politicians around the election time. This clearly explains the possible reasons behind Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaia's decision to get his state a flag of its own. Though such an effort could have been looked at in a different light, but right now it cannot, as the Karnataka government is set for polls in less than a year's time before the government completes its term in May. A 9-member committee has been set up by the government to design the state flag and submit a report on providing it a legal sanctity. This decision by the Siddaramaia government can clearly be seen as the beginning of election campaigning by the Congress party and an attempt to push the main opposition Bharatiya Janata Party on the back foot. While the mainstream national media will try to raise its TRP ratings by putting forth tough questions based on nationalism for the Chief Minister, according to political calculations, he will be happy to be hounded by them, as it would allow him to show himself as the one standing up for the state and the identity of its people. Earlier last month, the capital of Karnataka, Bengaluru, saw protests by pro-Kannada groups against the Hindi signage in the city. The matter got a lot of attention from the media and the people, with many locals supporting the call for removal of such signs. This was in line with the state's overall position of resisting centre's 3-language policy of promoting Hindi along with English and the language of the state. Siddaramaiah will try to use the concept of state identity to pitch it against BJP's plan to impose another culture and identity on them, like in the case of the Hindi language. The language seen to be promoted by BJP, a policy which has seen the party come under criticism from those belonging to the southern states. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.